Hi everyone! So today we are making peppermint brownies with the Young Living essential oils. They are actually so pure and unadulterated that you can consume them internally. A lot of people didn't realize that. So they have a full line of essential oils labeled Vitality. And when you see an oil bottle like this that's white and it says Vitality, that means it's labeled and approved by the FDA as a supplement to be consumed internally. So you can add the peppermint oil to brownies and it's delicious. There's a lot of delicious treats that you can make with the peppermint oil. Brownies being just one of them. You can make thin mint, DIY thin mint cookies, and they are to die for, let me tell you. But today we're just making simple brownies. We just bought a regular old package of brownie mix. I have the batter prepared already, and all you're gonna do is simply add about 3 drops, anywhere from 2 to 4 drops for a batch of brownies. So when you pour your oils out, you'll just count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Peppermint comes out fast, so Kyler's gonna stir it in for us now. And then we're just gonna bake them like normal, and it just adds that extra peppermint flavor. Way more potent than using an extract, and then you also gain all of the health benefits to using the peppermint oil. Although when you're typically cooking with your oils, you want to add them at the end because the heat can break down some of the natural constituents that have those, beneficial therapeutic properties. So there's a certain temperature where they start to break down. I believe the 350 oven is probably going to break down some of the natural compounds, but nonetheless, we're still using something that's all natural, and it's going to add a ton of delicious flavor. So that's just one of many ways that you can use peppermint. Lots and lots and lots of other ways. We'll talk about that another time. So hopefully you enjoyed this, and I wish you were here to smell the peppermint chocolate combo. It smells delicious. It's going to smell even better once it gets baking in the oven. So have a good day. Hope you enjoyed that. Take care.